On Wednesday, the Ministry of Public Works announced a 3-week timeline for the completion of emergency works on the Tiger Creek Bridge for Taro-Siparuni. The bridge collapsed on Tuesday while a heavy-duty truck was crossing. Region 8 engineer Wendell St. Pierre explains.
Based on the assessment, it was a combination of a beam failure and the revetment. The solution would be to repair the revetment and to also reconstruct the entire bridge.
Contractor Mr. Abijah Trotman has already mobilized materials from his forestry concession and has begun the emergency works. Commuters are advised to use an alternative route while works are ongoing.
There is a second route, and that's through Conarook and down into Eagle Mountain Road. It's longer than the normal routes. It's an additional 28 km, but it's a temporary inconvenience until the bridge is reconstructed.
The ministry is providing technical assistance on the project while the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission is tasked with executing the repairs. A detailed report will be sent to the minister within the Ministry of Public Works, the Honorable Deodat Indar.